So it's great that the thing is working. No, you need 200 people that left early, you can tell them what actually happened. On the pinion for one of the motors. So he took it apart and he realized that it was only chipped on one end. And so if he turned the pinion around, then he would still have enough teeth to engage. And he put it back together and he was too afraid to test it anymore. And so it's great that the thing is working. All right. Whoa, 7.2. No, you need 200 more milliseconds.
200?
Fantastic performance. Early, you can tell them what actually happened.